Hello friends, I am here with a new video. This is a Acer laptop which is running right away. The problem with was of the laptop of that the sound of that particular laptop was not working properly. Now, what was the issue when I used to plug this particular jack? Okay, in this port, the sound of the laptop used to flicker out. It was not so proper that we would be able to get the clear sound. Okay. Now what happened, I was just working out with the laptop. I have just checked this particular IC. I have also checked this IC. These two ICs are this one is audio IC and this is an amplifier IC. Okay, after checking all the circumstances with the oscilloscope, I found that this IC were working so properly that the issue is not of this particular IC. So I started working out and finally I reached to this particular card which I forgot to remove. When I put a hand to this card, this was heating up very badly. So I casually removed the card and found that this particular capacitor is short. Let me show you the capacitor. This capacitor was short. When I have removed this capacitor, this laptop started working and functioning very properly. The sound came, and this was the smallest issue which caused the laptop now working and not functioning properly. So never think that if there is a sound flickering problem, it will be related to this particular IC. It can be anywhere in the board which relates to that particular line. Thank you.